Chelsea here today with Chelsea's Motivational Mondays. The thought of the day is, ambition is a path to success, but persistence is the vehicle we drive to get there. So you're probably about a month in on your new year, new plan goals, and how are we keeping up persistently in the goals that we want? It's always great to have those goals, have those ambitions, those things we want, but it's persistence that's gonna get us there and that step-by-step process. So what is it that we're making sure to guarantee that we're doing those steps? Do we have daily reminders on our phone? Do we have it written down anywhere? What's the plan we have to get those ambitions and get to those goals? After doing your stuff for a month, are you still keeping on top of it? It's okay to, after a month, maybe realize, maybe I gotta mod it, maybe I do something different. Making sure that you're going to be persistent to them, though, is definitely going to help you get there. So I hope we motivate you just to think about the persistency you need on the goals you have set in life or set for yourself. Have a huggable day.